Okay guys, here's another street legal kit that I'm putting together. This one is a custom deal. This one is actually for the Bike Bomb Moto B2. If you guys have seen those, it's kind of like an 85cc sized do-it-yourself electric dirt bike. And so this guy contacted me and was interested in doing one, so I set it up for him. I'm thinking the wiring lengths should be just about right for him. He did say he's willing to lengthen or shorten anything if he needs to. But basically, this is the power connector, and I'm sending him the battery as well, just because that way it's plug and play, and he decided that that was going to be easier instead of trying to do some sort of voltage converter from the big battery. But basically, this just plugs into power, and I have this one labeled just so that he knows which one it is. But anyway, and then that runs up to this. But this battery pack will most likely be right at the front of the bike, so that's why that wire is not very long. And then this is the bar switch. He saw this on a different video that I posted and liked it, so I'm sending him this one. These switches do have a little bit thicker wiring on them, which is nice. But anyway, if you press this on, the tail light comes on at the brake light, and there's a white license plate light, and then they are yellow lights by default. And he also purchased the high beam switch, so if you press that, you can see it lights up blue and also turns on the white part of the lights in addition to the yellow. And basically that's how this whole thing works. If you have the blinkers on here, there's the left blinker on the tail light and the right blinker on that, left blinker on that. That's how that works. And the horn, obviously, he also purchased bar mounts because that's going to be the easiest thing for him. And the horn comes with it, and then this is the extender for the tail light. And this is half the length I normally use for the big bikes, but it should be long enough for his application. And if it's not, he can go ahead and contact me and I'll swap it out for him with no extra charge. But basically, that's how this whole thing works together. I'm excited to see it, and the other question is, I'm wondering if you guys think I should pick up one, because I think that'd be a super fun project, because I actually do have a Talaria battery. Let me grab it really quick and I'll show you. I got this entire Talaria battery right here. It's a 60 volt, 30 something amp hours. And I got it for free from a guy that I'm developing a street legal kit for the Talaria. So anyway, I might end up making this into the battery pack for a Bike Bomb B2, because the only thing that was bad on this was the BMS, but I'm confident I can tear this apart, get the batteries out, and make my own battery with BMS and everything. And I think I'll also make it solar chargeable so that I can charge the bike with the solar. But that'll be probably my winter project, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. And if you're also interested in seeing how to repair one of these or build one to begin with, because I can show you how to do that. It's really not that hard if you have some simple skills and, you know, able to think critically. So anyway, that's going to be it for this weekend. I've already shipped out 4 other orders, so this is the next one that is on the list.